Hello, good day viewers. Welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve this interesting exponential equation. We have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of the reciprocal of x. This is equal to 6. And here we'll be solving for x values. I know we can easily say that 1 is the solution, right? That is x is equal to 1. Satisfy this equation. That is 2 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 1 divided by 1, which is 1. That will give us 6. But interestingly, this equation has 2 real solutions. So how do we find the other solution? Now let's see how we're going to solve this problem. Here we're going to natural log both sides of this equation. So here we have the natural log of 2 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 1 divided by x. Then this is equal to the natural log of 6. Now, remember here we have the product of 2 to the power of x and 3 to the power of 1 all over x. So let us recall one of the properties of logarithm. When we have the natural log of a multiplied by b, this is same as the natural log of a plus the natural log of b. So right over here, make use of this property. That will become the natural log of 2 to the power of x plus the natural log of 3 to the power of 1 divided by x. Then this is equal to the natural log of 6. Okay, now from here, with the power rule of logarithm, this power here will cross over to the front, and this power of 3 here will also cross over to the front. And this will become x multiplied by the natural log of 2, then plus the power of 3 here, which is 1 all over x multiplied by the natural log of 3, then this is equal to the natural log of 6. Okay, now from here, remember this is all over 1 and this is all over 1. Why this one here, the denominator is x. So the LCM of 1, x and 1 is x. So we're going to multiply both sides of this equation by x, right? So here we have x multiplied by x times the natural log of 2, then plus x multiplied by 1 divided by x multiplied by the natural log of 3, then this is equal to x multiplied by the natural log of 6. From here we have nice cancellation, right? And from here we have x squared multiplied by the natural log of 2 plus the natural log of 3, right? Then this is equal to x multiplied by the natural log of 6. Let's move this term to the left. So that will become, here we have the natural log of 2x squared. Then here minus natural log of 6x, right? Remember this is like this, right? Then here we have plus the natural log of 3. Then this is equal to 0. Now carefully looking at this equation, we realize that this is a quadratic equation, which we are going to solve using the general quadratic formula, right? So here we're going to make use of the general quadratic formula. We have that x will be equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, then divided by 2 times a. And from here, a is the coefficient of the leading term, which is the natural log of 2. B is equal to the coefficient of x, which is negative natural log of 6, then c, which is the constant, the positive natural log of 3. And making use of this quadratic formula, then we get x is equal to negative b, in this case will be positive natural log of 6, right? So we have positive natural log of 6, then plus or minus the square root of b squared will be negative natural log of 6 squared. Then minus 4 times a, that is natural log of 2, multiplied by c, natural log of 3. Then divided by 2 times a will be 2 times the natural log of 2. Okay, now, how can we simplify this? And we have the square root of some complicated stuffs here. So how exactly are we going to simplify this without calculating dividers? Now let's see how we're going to do this. So from here we have x is equal to the natural log of 6 plus or minus the square root of, from here, remember we have an even power here, so this will become positive, right? So it's same as the natural log of 6 squared, then minus 4 natural log of 2 multiplied by the natural log of 3. Then the whole of this is divided by 2 times the natural log of 2. Okay, now let us see how we can simplify this which is under this root sign, right? Okay, here we go. The square of the natural log of 6, we can actually manipulate it as follows. We have this, that the natural log of 6 squared is equal to the natural log of 6 is the same as 2 times 3, right? Then this is squared. Then with the property of the logarithm, that is the product rule, that is, we're going to make use of the product rule here, or the additional rule, anyhow you call it. So here we have the natural log of 2 plus the natural log of 3. Then this is squared. Okay, now we know this property of this, the binomial expansion, right? Remember, a plus b squared. This is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So make use of this from here. We have this natural log of 2 squared, then plus 2 times natural log of 2 times natural log of 3, then plus the natural log of 3 squared. Okay, so we can say that the square of the natural log of 6 is exactly equal to this. Okay, now let us simplify. Therefore, this natural log of 6 squared, we're going to rewrite it in this form, and then subtract 4 times the natural log of 2 times the natural log of 3. So that will become the natural log of 2 squared plus 2 natural log of 2 multiplied by the natural log of 3, then plus the natural log of 3 squared. Then we're subtracting 4 multiplied by the natural log of 2 multiplied by the natural log of 3. And we can subtract these two terms, right? Because they are like terms. And when we subtract them, so we're going to have the natural log of 2 squared. Then let us write this first, plus the natural log of 3 squared. Then 2 times something minus 4 times the same thing will be negative 2 times that thing, right? Okay, so this is what we have from here. But we're going to find out if this is a perfect square. Oh, awesome. Indeed, it is a perfect square. Let us take note of this. When we have a minus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So let's compare. If we compare this to that is this expression and this equation, from here you will find out that a is equal to the natural log of 2 and b is equal to the natural log of 3, right? So this here indeed is a perfect square, which is exactly equal to the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3 all squared. So we can see now that the square root of the natural log of 6 squared minus 4 natural log of 2 times natural log of 3 will be equal to the square root of the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3 squared, which we know this cancels this, and that will give us the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3. Okay, now from where we stop, so our x is going to be equal to the natural log of 6 plus or minus the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3, then divided by 2 the natural log of 2. And from here, make use of the positive first. So we have the natural log of, this 6 is same as natural log of 2 plus natural log of 3. We already know that, right? Then plus the natural log of 2 minus the natural log of 3, then divided by the 2 times the natural log of 2. And not only that, we have make use of the negative sign. So we have the natural log of 2 plus the natural log of 3, then minus, let's put in bracket, natural log of 2 minus natural log of 3, right? Then divided by 2 times the natural log of 2. Okay, so from here we have x is equal to, now This cancel this from here. That is natural log of 3 minus natural log of 3 is 0. And we have natural log of 2 plus natural log of 2, which is 2 natural log of 2, right? So 2 natural log of 2, then divided by 2 natural log of 2. And we have from the other side, here we have to open this bracket with this negative sign, and we can see that the natural log of 2's we subtract to 0. And we have the natural log of 3 plus natural log of 3, which is 2 natural log of 3, divided by 2 natural log of 2. Simplifying, this is 1. And from here, cancel this, we get natural log of 3 divided by the natural log of 2. So we can see that we have just found the other solution, and here we come up with the solution. X1 is equal to 1, and we have x2 is equal to the natural log of 3 divided by the natural log of 2. And here we have the solution. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.